No more eye strain while reading. Let the Snow 12 read out loud for you. Here are 2 quick ways to use its OCR, TTS feature. Let's dive in. 1. First, tap the home button to go to the main menu. Tap the very first icon on the top left to enter OCR, TTS mode. Line up your reading material, and press the freeze button. Pro tip, if you're scanning a full A4 page, just place it horizontally. The Snow 12 will automatically scan the text and read it out loud. You can easily adjust the speed, volume, zoom level, and contrast colors to your liking. 2. While in live view, just press and hold the freeze button for 3 seconds to jump straight into OCR, TTS mode. Then, follow the same steps as method 1. Friendly tips. A quick heads up, to get the most accurate scan every time, just remember these 3 simple steps. 1. Make sure your text is centered within the camera view. 2. Check if the image is sharp. If not, tap the screen to manual focus. 3. If it's too dark, just tap the top right icon. ZoomX, pioneering vision tech for better living. For more information, please visit www.zoomx.com.